So quick overview of app called Tabler. It's a clubbing app. So if you like to go out or you like to go into nightclubs, probably one of the issues is like how to book a table. It can be pretty expensive if doing alone. You need to organize stuff and all of that, and then you can sit with a lot of like people you don't know and all of that. So this app helps you to find the table, book it cheaper, share with some other people, communicate with them on chats, and know if it's a good match you want to spend clubbing with them. So this is the app. You just create an account with your Apple ID, and then for example here is some table and events. You can just go there, and then you can see some club, and then there is some table available, and then if you want to join the table, you just want to select, do you want to join you alone or you with friends, or something like that, and then you can just tap okay, so that's home screen. You can share a table, you can join a table and view requests. So as well, you can just create your own table, select club name, performer, time, desired company, currency, some additional requirements, some custom requirements, and then just do that. And yep, that's basically the idea. You can then just give your location and see what events are in your city and stuff like that. So you can do that, and then there are friends. You can add friends in top right by plus icon. Then there are messages, chat. You can chat with anyone. You can do some conversations. So something around that. Yep, so that's basically the idea of it. That's the app. It's pretty simple, but it's adding more and more clubs. It's growing in charts. So if there will be more clubs and more events, I think it will be pretty nice, because you can find a table and save some money when visiting some club and all of that. So something around it. Hope this can be helpful, and thank you for watching.